move me from the ground. Talk to me, I love that sound.
Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a MacBook Pro unboxing video. I literally just got back from Best Buy and I got me a MacBook. Here you go, let me show y'all. I got the MacBook Pro. This is the 2020 version. It has the details of it right here. It says this is the one with the M1 chip and this is 512 gigabytes. Yeah, that's it. This Pro was actually $1,600. I got mine in space gray. He was trying to give me silver in the store and I'm like, you know what, if I'm spending $1,600 on a laptop, I'm gonna get the color I want. So I made sure that he you know, sifted through all the MacBooks and got the space gray one because he was trying to get me silver and I didn't want silver. Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and open this up. Okay, I think this is how you open it up. So we're gonna pull this tab. Whoa. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god. It's precious. All right, we're gonna go ahead and open this up. So I zoomed in for you guys. This is it. Yeah. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh! Oh my god, there it is, you guys. Holy shite, holy shite. So here's the Apple logo and everything. This is the laptop. It has this plastic wrap, so I'm going to take that off as well. But before I take that off, I'm going to show you guys what's actually in the box. So the box comes with this little pamphlet, and then it comes with the chargers. This is, MacBooks come with a thick block charger. And then this is the cord that you are obviously going to plug into the box. You have to buy separate accessories, which I will be doing that on Amazon, which is going to make for a very fun video. But that's what comes inside of the box. Alright, now we're going to put the box to the side. I feel like I'm carrying gold right now. Alright, let's take it off. Ooh. Alrighty. Oh, look at how shiny that Apple logo is. See, space gray just looks so much better. Kind of make it look silver, but it's like a dark gray. This is how you open it. I just also want to show you guys how thick it is from the side. This is how the Pro look. The MacBook Air, which is what my mom has, is a lot slimmer in shape. This one is a little bit heavier, but girl, I don't care. And I don't care, like, alrighty. So it just cut on. It has this paper on it. Wow, I got a freaking MacBook. Okay, so this is it and everything. I'm gonna go ahead and set it up. Oh, and that's the touch bar at the top right here. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and set it up before Siri logs me out. All right, guys, I'm setting it up right now. So I have to select the language first, which will be English, of course. Alright, it says select your country or region, United States. Okay, now it says set up your Wi-Fi network. I'm gonna do that. Alright, I'm setting up my Wi-Fi. Look at the touch bar, y'all. Like, I'm so excited to actually use it. This is like the brightness key, volume key right here, and I don't know what that is. I think the brightness as well. Sign in with your Apple ID. I need my phone. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and enter my Apple ID. Okay, so I just got everything done with the setup. So this is how it looks. I'm gonna go ahead and, what should I go to? I want to go to like Safari because I want to see how the speakers sound on the MacBook. So I'm gonna go to YouTube really quickly and I'm going to just click on any video. Okay, ambient steady music to concentrate. Okay, I'm gonna use the touch bar to increase the volume. Ooh.
With 3 incredible streaming services and seemingly limitless possibilities.
Wow, you guys, I'm in love. I'm in love. I'm in love. Oh my god. It's it's so loud, and it has 2 speakers, one here and one here on both sides. Okay, I'm in love. Okay, so let's see. I'm gonna use the touch bar to press the pause button. It's right there. Okay. Boop. Oh my god, so cool. Okay, and then you can also use the search bar. So let's see. Okay, so it popped up once I searched the search bar, and then it has all of these: Google, Facebook. Let's go to Google. And it took us to Google. How freaking cool. Oh my god. I'm in love. Oh, let's try FaceTime. Ooh, okay. I want to see how the FaceTime is on this. So, okay, I already have numbers. Oh my god, look at me in a freaking towel in the background. But that's cool. So this is how it looks. Huh? Ah, look at Harlem. This is so freaking cool. Let's try to go to Twitter. I love Twitter. Okay, I can't log into my Twitter because I don't know my password. Awesome. I don't know. Alright, let's go to a different website. Like, screw Twitter. What is this L? Oh, iCloud. Oh my god, I'm crazy. Okay, I'm gonna try to find like a wallpaper so I can actually customize this. Oh look, I have Apple TV. That will be fun tonight. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and set up and customize the laptop, get a cute wallpaper, and some other things that you can do to customize your MacBook that I just found out. I'm gonna come back and then I will show you guys how my MacBook looks. So yeah, I'm so excited. I love it. It's so cute. So it is day 2 of me doing the whole MacBook unboxing and customizing. I'm gonna show you guys how my MacBook looks. I was able to customize it and everything, and just like make it like more like mine and everything. And I was watching a couple videos on how to do that, so I'm actually gonna show you guys what videos I watched. If you want to watch those same videos, you can customize yours like mine. Yes, let's get into it. Okay, so I'm at my little desk area and I'm gonna show you guys everything that I did with my MacBook. Alright, as you guys can see, the home screen is not the same as the like prototype. So I actually got this from a website and from a YouTuber, and I actually got a lot of my customizations from her, so I'm going to show you guys everything about that. So this is the channel. Her channel name is called Julia K. Christ, and she has a ton of videos on MacBook organizing and customizations. This is one of the ones that I've watched upon many. As you guys can see, this is the home screen, and these are all the videos that I've watched that have the red line under it, so that one as well. I really like her videos, so I think I should definitely check out her channel. But she also has a website. Okay, so this is the website that she has, and it has all her information linked right here: her Instagram, Pinterest, and YouTube. This is where I got my wallpaper from. She has a lot of like free graphics. You just click on design freebies, and then after you go to design freebies, you want to go to MacBook screensavers and click on that. Scroll all the way down, and it's going to be on the one that says tan mood board. Okay, so you click on the photo and then you drag that photo, hold it down on your mouse, and then drag that over to your home screen. And here is the tab that I just created. You're going to click on that. You're going to click this up arrow and press add to photos. I have the MacBook with the touch bar, so you can do the same thing on your touch bar. Click add to photos, and then you're going to go to your photos. You're going to click on your photos, and then you're going to click the arrow that goes up. Yeah, it's going to say set desktop picture, and then you're going to click on that. So that's basically how you add that to your home screen, and then drag this to the trash can when you're finished. So another little gadget that she taught me was that you can change like the coloring of these things right here. You see that the highlighted text is pink. It's like that because I set it up that way. Basically, to get that, you just go to system preferences, and then you go to general, click on that, and then it says accent color, and then you pick which accent color you want. If you want red, I just clicked on red, and boom, now it's red. You want purple, you click on purple, and now it's purple right there. So I'm gonna go back to pink because I love pink. Well, I don't know if you guys can see on my laptop, but I have the Bluetooth like icon right here, and I put it right there. It doesn't come like that, but if you have AirPods, then it would be a good idea to add it right there, because sometimes when I put my AirPods in, if I have the computer open and I'm on my phone, like it'll connect to the laptop even though I wanted to connect to my phone. So it's good to have this right here so you can just easily click it and then like unselect it to disconnect the AirPods. So to do that, you just go to dock and menu bar, and you want to go to Bluetooth, which is the second one right here, and then click on show in menu bar. So I'm going to unclick it. Now it's gone. Click it again, and now it's there. I showed you guys how FaceTime looks already. I'm going to show you guys some more of the camera quality by going to photo booth. Photo booth is when you see people with those hearts like above their head. That's how they do it. They do it on a photo booth. So you just go to effects in the corner in order to access photo booth, and here goes the hearts, the infamous hearts. And yeah, hi you guys. And there goes the camera. So yeah, we're gonna talk about the keys just for like 2 seconds. They have a emoji key on this laptop. In order to get the emojis on the laptop, all you have to do is press the FN key. It disappeared, but there they go. And then you just press the FN key again to get rid of them. So on the M1 MacBook, you can get Among Us. So I'm gonna just show you guys, because Among Us is really an iPhone app, but you can actually get it on the MacBook, which is like a part of it having an M1 chip. Okay, so I downloaded Among Us. Here it is. I think you go to local, and then you, oh wait, no. I think you go to online. Oh, I'm so confused. Okay, now I'm in it, and I don't know what to do. Yeah, I don't know what to do, you guys. I don't know how to play this game. I also wanted to show you guys that you can actually customize Google Chrome. You do have to have the actual Chrome application. You can't do this from Safari and then go on Google. You gotta actually have Google Chrome, which is this little gadget right here. But you can customize Google, and I made mine pink. All you have to do is go to customize right here, and then this will pop up, and you can choose whatever you want to customize it. Another thing about these laptops is it has this feature where like when you shut the laptop off, it comes right back on like when you close it, and that's supposed to be like a new thing. So I'm just going to pick this up so you can see really quickly, and I'm gonna close it and then open it back up, and it's already on. Close it, open it back up, and it's on. That's supposed to be like a cool feature that they added or something. I don't really know. But yeah, if that means something to you, then there you go. Also want to show you guys that the MacBook only has these 2 ports. When I was researching, I saw that they used to have 2 here and 2 here, but they don't. They have this, I guess it's like an audio jack for like headphones, and then they have these 2. So yes, but I was reading, and you can actually like get like a little gadget to stick in here so you can make more ports. So I don't think it'll be a big deal for me because I don't really plug things into my laptop really. That's pretty much it for everything that comes with the laptop and a little bit of information about the laptop. So I'm back in my little seat area. I have to figure out how to change my lock screen icon, because right now it is a fortune cookie, and yeah, I don't really like that, so I'm gonna change that. I should have showed that, but it's whatever. I do want to show you guys what I just got in the mail today. This is my laptop case. I've been putting it back in the box that it came in, book box, but this is the case that I got for it. It doesn't have a handle, so I will eventually upgrade to a real case, but this is what it is right now. I thought it was cute. I love the color gray. It has 2 pockets, so it has pockets right here, and then right here, of course, is where the laptop will be going. And it is very cushiony and soft inside, so that's good. Like nothing is gonna scratch up the laptop. Just so you guys know that it fits. So this is it, and I'm putting it in here and closing it up, and it fits. I can't wait to eat my nutty bar because I'm so hungry. My mouth is super dry. I got this cup of pink lemonade that's been keeping me not parched. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a big old thumbs up, and make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. So yeah, I will see you guys later. Thank you.